Alright guys, so this video is to show you how to name ionic compounds. Well, exactly, first of all I have to tell you what kind of ionic compounds we have. Okay, we have the ones that are called binary compounds, binary ionic compounds, and we have the polyatomic ionic compounds. Binary compounds that are made of two elements, and the polyatomic, they have more than two elements. Okay, this video in this video I will talk about the binary ionic compounds, the ones that I'm going to call type 1. Okay, I will mention them as type 1 as the ones that they are made of metal that has one possible charge in a non-metal. Okay, so the first I will tell you this combination, like a metal as the sodium with a non-metal as the chloride, in which the sodium has a positive 1 charge and the chloride a negative 1 charge. When they are together they have a net charge of 0, because all the compounds have a net charge of 0. Okay, now the real example I'm going to use is this. Okay, lithium bromide. Okay, so the first rule to name them is to name first the cation and then name the anion with the "-ite" ending. So when you have these two together, you have the name that is lithium bromide. Lithium because you name the cation, as rule number 1 says, and bromide as because you're naming the anion with the "-ite" ending, as rule number 2 says. Okay, remember that this happens only when you have a metal with one possible charge, such as the elements from the group 1 or 2, or aluminum or zinc, okay, or silver, and non-metal. Okay, so I think that this was really easy, but anyway, I have to make this video. Alright guys, so see you guys later on the next video.